Owito ngimagi okinyi ma kawuono e masira mar apaya manotimore e apaya maduong' ma Thika Road e gwenge mag Membli, Ruiru, kaunti ma Kiambu. Matok nyamburko moro mar ji giwegi donjo kuom trela moro manochungi e geng apaya, chal manomiyo ji 4 gote wito ngimagi kanyo. Nonro nyiso ni nyamburko no nyalo bedo ni ne iriembo e ng'we airititi. Bende wachore ni dereba mar nyamburko no nok nyala neno trela no makare kaluwore ni teini mag apeyni ma Thika Road ok ti makare.
It was a fatal injury traffic accident that happened today at around 4 a.m. along the northern bypass near the Membli Bridge, involving 2 vehicles, a Suzuki wagon and a Mercedes trailer. It happened that the 2 vehicles were being driven from Kahawa West general direction to Membli roundabout, and on reaching at the Membli Bridge, the Suzuki vehicle rammed into the trailer, and due to the impact, all the driver and the 3 passengers died on the spot. We are appealing to the drivers on our roads to be very careful during this holiday season and avoid drinking and driving. Now, the 2 vehicles were being driven from the same direction, that is from Kahawa West to Membli roundabout. The Suzuki was on the rear and rammed into the rear of the trailer, and due to the impact, all the driver and the 3 passengers died on the spot.